Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my Instagram profile. Whenever I take a shot, I first upload it on Facebook and then on Instagram. But recently I found that the quality of my pics are not up to the mark. Sometimes they appear pixelated, and sometimes they don't appear as sharp and crisp as they appear when I view them on my mobile screen. So I found that Instagram compresses, not only Instagram, even Facebook does that. So specifically I'm talking about Instagram right at this moment. And if you are an Instagrammer and you upload your shots on Instagram, then you must know this thing. Whenever you upload a photograph on Instagram, it compresses it. So if you were uploading a landscape photograph and the width is greater than 1080, then definitely it's gonna be compressed by Instagram. And if you were uploading a portrait photograph and the height of the photograph is greater than 1350 pixels, then definitely Instagram is gonna compress it. So as for Instagram, if you are uploading a landscape photograph, the width must not exceed 1080 pixels, and if you were uploading a portrait photograph, the height must not exceed 1350 pixels. So that's basically the thing you need to understand. I was not aware about it, and I came to know about it recently, and I thought to make a video on this. So here I have two of my photographs. As you can see, this and this one. Now if I tap on the details, you can see this is a landscape photograph, and the width of this photograph is 4000 pixels, so it's definitely greater than 1080. And I already told you that Instagram compresses landscape photographs if their width is greater than 1080. And if you look at this picture, this is a portrait picture, and if I tap on the details, you can see the height of this picture is 3000. And as I mentioned before, if your portrait shots have a height greater than 1350, then Instagram is definitely gonna compress it. And of course we don't want Instagram to compress our shots and upload in low resolution. So for that, if you are using Adobe Lightroom to edit your app, of course Adobe Lightroom is an amazing photo editor that we are all familiar with. So if you are using Lightroom to edit your pics, you can do it right from here. Before you upload your photograph on Instagram, first import those pictures, tapping this plus icon over here, and select those pics that you want to upload. And after importing your picture, tap on the share icon and tap on export. Here you can leave the file type to JPG and set the long side to 1350 pixels since it's a portrait picture, and to make sure that the quality is set to 100%. And now if you upload the exported image on Instagram, you don't have to worry about the compression and the quality loss. And in case you were trying to upload a picture that's in the landscape mode, do the same thing. But change the long side to 1980 pixels. So guys, that was all for today. If you follow this, you will always be able to upload your pics in high definition, and they won't appear pixelated or compressed. If you liked this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys, see you in my next video.